Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Good morning, Titan. So, I'm a mother, but I'm really a fan of Bible. Hindi ko gusto mo kumutana, no? Ay, may Tagalog pala. I really wanted to ask, we've been watching since Ateneo Days of Nina, but then, the movie has this kind of magic with people. So what do you think is the main ingredient na nasa inyo na you are so popular, no? I think it's not a biased opinion, no? It's a popular movie. Mutual Life is the most parang weird na name. So, ano kaya? No? Anong kahit sino, anyone can answer because people have been asking me why this movie Choco Titan is so popular. So I said, I don't know, you fans would, ako asapat talaga gusto ko sila kasi parang cute, parang magagaling, magaganda, lahat mo. As a fan, it's a power, but I'd like them to answer because they don't know because every time they go to a certain place, anyone can answer.
For me, ever since na pumasok ako sa Choco Mucho, sikat na talaga itong team. I think, it's the fans din talaga. I mean, it's the Titans din talaga kung paano din nila ibalik yung pagmamahal na binibigay ng fans nila. So I think doon yung nakatatak and wala ka sa sikat ng mga kasama ko. Pero yun,
Good morning, Titan. So, I'm a mother, but I'm really a fan of